Let's take a look at a new project today. I fancy doing something a little bit different. So I've pulled out my old Compact 1592, which has a Pentium MMX 233 MHz processor, 64 megabytes of RAM, and the storage on this one is a 256 gigabyte SSD IDE speed. Now why am I telling you this? Well, I've decided that I'm going to make this machine my daily driver. Yeah, with Windows 98. I don't have a spare CD drive at the moment, so I'm going to use QEMU to get this installed. So we'll get that process started now. Do love the old DOS installations. And there we go. We'll hit enter to set up Windows now. Set the hard drive space up. Yeah, I definitely think I got a little bit more than 512. And we begin formatting this drive. And oh my goodness, did this take a long time. In hindsight, I should have done it in Linux before doing so, but yeah, I'll just speed it up. And we're greeted with the wonderful Windows 98 installer. Now, I do like my Linux, but I've got to admit, something special about the Windows 98 installer. It just looks amazing, doesn't it? Don't know what it is. So it's going to be a pretty basic Windows 98 setup. Just going to trim out some stuff that I don't need. You know, I've only got 256 gigabytes of hard drive space. Need to save that. I'm just going to take out some bits like accessories, some accessibility stuff, things I'm not going to use. Just no point in having it there, is there really? I wonder if anyone knows where I got this name from. Let me know in the comments if you work it out. Don't steal my product key, please. Once that's done, we'll set up all our regional keyboard layouts and finally get the installation complete. Now it's time to move this to the laptop to do the next stage. So let's pull the hard drive out of the enclosure, shove that straight into the laptop, put it back together, turn it on. Ooh, first time boot. Let's get those drivers installed by default. So if we get the mouse working. Here comes the startup sound. that's enough of that. Okay, so I've transferred some files over to this hard drive to get me started. I've got 7-zip, the last version that worked Windows 98, which is 4.75, top of my head. Then we're going to install the unofficial Service Pack 3 for Windows 98, which is basically just got a load of quality for life features and stuff like that. This will take a while.
5 hours later.
Next stage is just select which applications you want.
Seven hours later.
And there we go, it's all done. Still not seem to have got that video card working though. Oh. And it seems to have broken the file explorer as well, having the Service Pack 3. That's not too good. We'll have to use Windows Explorer instead for a while, I guess, until we get that figured out.
Many fantasies are being transformed into reality by modern science.
Right, so yeah, we're using Windows Explorer now. Let's get these drivers installed. Right, one restart later. Ooh, still the same. So let's take a look in Device Manager, see what's going on. Yellow exclamation. Oh, something's using this device, code 12. Oh, I can't get into the BIOS to fix that. So I wonder. I know what I'll do. I'll quickly update the driver again, just to make sure, and then I'm going to remove the standard VGA device so it refines it on the next boot. Let's see how that goes. So that's looking better now. Let's see if we can change the resolution. High colours there. Nice. So what display do we go for? So that's 800 by 600. And we're using true colour now, so that looks rather good. So I think we've done enough today. We've got Windows installed, we've got all the drivers installed. We're looking pretty good, I think. The groundwork's all done. We've got the laptop ready to go. So what are we going to do next time? Next time we're going to get networking going on this machine. See if we can access the internet and start doing my normal tasks like IRC. I don't know, maybe even see if we can get Discord to work. That could be fun. I'm going to ask two things from you on this video. First one is, because this is the first in the series, I'm going to please ask just for you to like this one, just so it gets pushed up by the algorithm. If you don't do any other video after this one, that's fine. Just the first part means the world to me. Thank you very much. And the second thing is, I don't know what theme to install on this. I kind of like the default Windows 98 theme, but I don't know. Any ideas? Have some suggestions in the comments, and I'll see about putting a new theme on the system. Maybe some sort of Star Trek. Stargate, you know, some 90s shows. Ooh, Xena the Warrior Princess. I do like myself a strong female lead character. Anyway guys, keep compiling and I'll catch you on the next one. So it's clear I have a Gen2 addiction. Why not help enable me to get new hardware or just cope with the stresses with vodka like these wonderful people you see before you? Prices only start at $1 and every little bit helps me. Thank you. Some upcoming ideas I have are shown on the screen now, but obviously it's up to you.